Hello, it's Crypto Farmer XD, and today I got a real quick video for you, and that is for some news that dropped today on July 18th, 2025. Going forward, you are not going to be able to purchase hash upgrades, so TH upgrades, on miners that are over 20 watts TH. So basically that means that anything from 21 and up, you are not going to be able to increase your TH level. So if we take a look at the market real quick, here's a good one right here, this little Go mining whale, it's pretty cool looking. Basically, you see it's 64 TH, 35 watt. That means that if we go in here and say you bought this and you want to upgrade the power level, you can't do that anymore until you get it down below 20 watts efficiency. So if you wanted to increase this to like 65 or 128 or whatever, you're going to need to pay for the efficiency upgrades first to get it down from 35 or whatever it is down to 20. So the reason they're doing this is because as time goes on, hardware becomes out of date, things get more efficient. If you recall, like in the last, 6 months, whatever it was, they introduced the 15 watts, and they did this also with the 35 watt, where 35 watt was the cap, and you had to bring it down to 28. Now they're bringing it down to 20. So basically, this is just a heads up that if you want to upgrade your miners that are over 20 watts, you are going to need to decrease your efficiency first. Now this does also apply for greedy machines. So if you didn't know, greedy machines will give you TH every week based on some voting. But if we go in here and say you look at this one, for example, it's 35 watts. This one is no longer going to get that weekly free TH increase until they drop it. If you were to buy this, you'd have to drop it down to 20 watts. Same with this one, 28 watts, you'd have to drop it. This one's 15 watts. That one will get the weekly upgrades. So just wanted to make you aware of this. This is ongoing. This is as of now, as of this video up, it is currently the thing. But the good news is they do give you a little discount code here, a 10% discount code to use. So it's good until July 25th, 3 p.m. UTC. It's this code right here, EE20WTH. That one will, WTH, what the hell? That one will bring you down to, that'll give you 10% off of whatever your upgrade cost is. So they're trying to help you out a little bit because they know it's kind of a little intrusive, but in the long run, as hardware gets better, as things get more energy efficient, then obviously, Gomining is going to improve their hardware and therefore cut costs as well in their data centers, which is obviously, if you're using this platform, we're all utilizing. So it'll be good in the long run. It'll be interesting to see how the TH prices, if they're going to adjust at all. They do fluctuate based on Bitcoin and other circumstances, so I'm wondering if that's going to change in the future. But right now, if you want to upgrade it and you can't, this is why. You got to lower your TH down to 20 watts or lower 15 to 20 basically. That's including 20. But if you want to do it, if you want to, if you got some money and you want to bring some miners down into that 20 watt range, you can go ahead and use this promo code here, EE20WTH. That'll get you 10% off the efficiency upgrade through the 25th, or including the 25th, partway through the 25th. So just a heads up there. And that's pretty much it. That's all I had for you in this video. Like I said, it was a real quick one. Just wanted to make you aware of what was going on. It'll be good in the long run. Use this code here if you want to bring it down. If you have a greedy machine, definitely focus on that first and bring it down to that 20 watt. That way you can get your weekly stuff. That way you're not just kind of wasting it, because that is the perk of the greedy machine. You get free TH every week. So definitely focus on that one if you have that first. If not, do what you want. You don't have to upgrade. You can keep them as is. And I think like right now, a lot of the highest ROI, like a lot of the highest ROI was, the 28s for a long time. Also because the pricing got more increased as time, once you get below 28 watts to increase the wattage, the price is increased. But obviously these 28 watts are pulling in some good ones, good ROI. So you don't have to upgrade it if you don't want to, but if you want to utilize that coupon code, that discount 10%, then you got to do it this week, obviously. And that's all I had for you. And if you are not on Gomining already, check the comment or the description down below. There's a referral code, gets you 5% back on your first miner purchase. And that's all I have for you today. I'll see you in the next one.